Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Shopify admin account. Logging in is super simple, but very important because the admin dashboard is where you manage everything: your products, orders, payments, and store design. To begin, open your browser and go to shopify.com. In the top right corner, click on Log In. Now, type in the email address you used when signing up for Shopify along with your password. If you have more than one store connected to your email, Shopify will ask you which store you want to access. Just select the correct one and continue. If you've enabled two-step verification for extra security, you'll also need to enter the code sent to your phone or authentication app. Once that's confirmed, you'll land directly on your Shopify admin dashboard. Here you can instantly view your sales, manage products, update settings, and customize your storefront. If you ever forget your password, simply use the Forgot Password option on the login page to reset it. And that's it! You're officially logged in and ready to manage your store through the Shopify admin. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.